Okay, shalom, shalom. Welcome to this amazing and beautiful, the beautiful Dead Sea, guys. Here we are. This is amazing. Wow, that's really absolutely beautiful place, guys. Amazing Dead Sea. Here we are exploring this magnificent place here from Israel, so you can enjoy. Don't forget also to like, share, and follow our page, Visit Israel from your home, guys. Enjoy. That's lovely.